Got an update on that 1944 delivery that I'm doing for Hope This Works. So this is update number 2. Stay tuned. Welcome to another episode of FrankNCarrie's Adventures. This is the second update to the model, the 1944 delivery that I am doing for Kevin at Hope This Works. I got the cream color, the off-white, painted on this part of the body. Getting ready to do that black pearl. Been working on putting the motor together. Got a little ways on that, so let's get set up and you can watch me start painting this. Alright, let's get some paint on here. Alright, we got it painted. Gonna wait for this to dry. I'll do some more work on the motor while I'm waiting and start putting some other things together. And we'll catch you on the next video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, keep smiling. Here's some suggested videos for you. While you're here, why don't you check out some of these other videos? It's going to be right up here, right in this area over here somewhere. Just watch it for it in this area over here. Okay? Make sure you watch them. You'll like them. Bye.